WMT is relaying something. Severe for Iowa. 1050 hertz. Severe for Iowa County, maybe.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeast County, southwestern Johnson County, northwestern Washington County, southeastern Iowa County until 5:45 p.m.
Wow.
At 5:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Parnell, or 13 miles south of Marengo, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near well and around 5:35 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Kelowna and Richmond. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
That is cool. Severe on WMT. Severe for Washington. Should come through on there any second.
We're not talking about an enemy like an enemy state. It's just that they're not looking out for the interest of the people.
I'm just going to sit here
They're not looking out for
and wait.
36% don't agree, 23% that strongly disagree, and 83% a whop.
Yep. There it goes. Henry in Washington. Thank you very much, DVN.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Henry County, southern Washington County until 6:30 p.m. At 6:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located.
Oh, my Ambot just went for something else. Let's see what it is. AFD.
Hazards include quarter-size hail. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Mount Pleasant and Winfield around 6:15 p.m. Mount Union around 6:20 p.m. New London around 6:25 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Cool. Severe for Louisa. Henderson, Des Moines, Henry, Louisa.
Help your business with its customer acquisition goals.
Thunderstorm warning for central Henderson County, northeastern. A severe thunderstorm was located near Mount Union.
Is this going off?
At 6:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mount Union, or 9 miles east of Mount Pleasant, moving southeast at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include golf-ball-sized hail.
Golf ball size? Hold the phone.
Danville around 6:35 p.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Burlington, West Burlington Gulfport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Take cover now. Because my wife struggles with fear on the lowest floor of a building. Take cover now.
WMT's not going off. Maybe it will in a second. Severe for Henderson, Des Moines, Henry, Louisa.